This is the introductory video to Google Sheets, spreadsheets, or Excel, very similar to all those things. Lots of features are the same. There are a few different. Normally you would go to New and select Google Sheets, but to save a little time in this video, I actually started one already. So when it comes up, it looks like this. Don't forget to click on your title in the top right hand corner, and I'm sorry, that would be my left hand corner, and name your document. I just put a little data in here to make things a little easier, but I wanted to show you a couple quick features. Once you already have things in your cells, if I just start to type math, put one letter in, and hit enter or just hit the next cell, it will finish the math for me, so I don't have to type the whole word in again. Another feature that I really like is that you can type the word yes, and if you know the next three people are all the same, you can click on the cell, and in the bottom right hand corner you can drag it down. Maybe it's the next three people are all the same, and once you let up on your mouse, it changes all those cells to be the same thing. Do it one more time and finish those out with no's. Same thing here. You can copy and paste something, so if I need that 25 and I need it to be down here, I'm just right clicking and hitting paste, and then I can drag that dot down and make all of those 25s. So if I want to figure out how many fees are owed without getting my calculator out, this is a pretty simple feature. You're going to hit the equal sign on your keyboard. As soon as you see that, you're in your sum field, and I'm just going to type in sum. I like this. This is a new feature. It kind of explains what each one means. This is just the sum of the cells. I did click on that area there to select the sum, and now it's asking me for my values. So I'm going to go over to my cell, and I'm going to just highlight everything that I want added up, and once I get that in there, I'm just going to hit enter, and that is the total of the fees owed. Now there is a bunch of new actions that are now available. One is the equal sign and sum if. Now sum if basically means if rather than that. You do have to program that. I did use this on tabulation, so maybe you don't care about anyone who owes any fees less than $30, but you want to show just the fees that are $30 or more. You would just put sum if and then less than or greater than 25 right in there. So that's just some of the simple ways to do sums. The last thing that I just want to remind you, this is just like anything else. You can highlight any of these categories and all at one time change the size and make them bold, and even the font if you want. You don't have a ton of different fonts in this program. And then the last thing that I love, especially if you're going to print this or show this somehow, I'm going to highlight this whole area and select borders, drop it down, and I want each cell the border to show, and it just simply looks like that. So that's some pretty basic functions of Sheets. I hope you learned something new.